Morning everybody, I'm going to be doing the jump today. Stick around and we'll see what that looks like at the end. I'm all suited up for the jump, and I'm just waiting for this one person to go before me. They actually put the GoPro 360 on my helmet, so I'm gonna be able to see a really good video while I jump down. And I got my own GoPro on my left hand right here, so I'll be able to see hopefully some good footage. I'm sure it's gonna be all shaky and crazy, but the waterfall is pretty little today. It hasn't been raining a lot lately, so the experience I'm excited for. So the next step will be me jumping. Wish me luck. Yeah, that's good. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!
Okay, that's it. Right. Step. You run this way. Okay?
Go this way?
The 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fechou aí? Uma nova energia pro Just então! 3, 2, 1, go! Ai, ele pulou! Caralho, caralho!
Oh! Holy shit! What happened to my helmet? Oh, what a experience! Holy cow! I couldn't even breathe. I don't even know what to do. Woo! Ugh. Here comes the rope. Man, I'm so high right now. Woo! What an experience that was. Holy shit. Man, that was fun. Oh, I keep on getting stuck on something. Ah. Red on red. I am going up. Oh, it's the GoPro helmet, the mount. That's what keeps on getting stuck. I'm so excited to see the footage of this, to see how he acted, because I was trying to scream, but I couldn't because I was like so in shock to just jump free falling. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at me. You put your feet on the rock.
Very good, my friend.
Open your hands. Another one. Good, good.
Nice job, man.
Whoa, that was nice. Woo.
You like it?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Very, very, very good.
Yeah? That was a good jump?
Muy bueno. Ay, ay, ay.
Crazy, crazy.
Stop. Oh. It's okay.
Okay.
So how was the view?
Oh, good. It was awesome. When I jumped, I couldn't even scream because I was showing shock. I'm like, nothing was coming out of my mouth.
Yeah,
It was
man.
a great experience. Awesome.
3,